Happy New Year, farmers. Hope you are doing well. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my super Napier after cutting. As you can see here, I've just finished cutting the Napier, the super Napier. As you can see, very greenish, yeah, very good, nutritious for my cows. So after cutting, I'm going to cut it. This is not the way to wilt it. I'm just going to cut it. So here's the process of what I do. I dig first, yeah. You see, it has already started coming out. I cut it the other day, but it has already started coming out. The secret is to achieve this and much more. The secret is once you cut your super Napier, make sure you weed, yeah, you weed. I had someone saying that you are not supposed to weed for the Napier. You are supposed to weed like this, what I have done, and you see it has just started growing, and it's growing at a very higher rate. So this was cut last week, but you can see the progress of it. So this is what I do after digging or weeding. I just dig it, yeah, so that I can remove all the weeds completely rather than using the herbicides, yeah. So after digging, I come and with manure, well decomposed manure. As you can see, this well decomposed manure, that is my tractor there. And the gaps that I find, I do like this. I plant other. So this one is elephant Napier grass, yeah. There was a gap here, and I planted some, and I put on some Silage here, as you can see. Now here is what I am laying a carpet of well decomposed manure. The bit about dairy farming is everything, it is like a cycle, yeah. You cut the Napier grass there, you feed it to the cow, it is converted, you get milk, and it is converted to manure, yeah. And this manure, you bring it back to your land, and it becomes a cycle, yeah. And that's how you keep on improving each and every day. So the beauty about this, or the advantages of applying a carpet or a layer of well decomposed manure is, one, you will be adding nutrients to your soil. The second is it will prevent water from evaporation, yeah. It will make sure that the soil is has good moisture. The moisture is not going to run out because of the sun, yeah. So apply as much manure as you can. I have a lot of manure. That is why I'm doing this. So from all, you see that has already started growing very fast, yeah. So within 3 months from now, I'll be having, it will be even bigger than that, yeah. Although the climate nowadays they keep on changing, but you have to have hope as a dairy farmer. So that is the secret. You have to make sure that you weed, yeah, and then you apply manure, yeah. Apply manure, you apply as much manure as possible, yeah. One, we say the super Napier, whichever kind of Napier that you are farming, must be nutritious for your cow. And for it to be nutritious, the soil must have the required nutrient for it to grow the required way, yeah, or to grow with the nutrients that are found or in the Napier. So apply as much manure as possible. So all this area, I'm going to be going to apply manure everywhere, yeah. And then they will start it will maintain the water, the soil moisture, as also it will add the required nutrients. Even if you have a biostrategy is even more, and it has more nutrients, yeah, than this one, yeah. And also manure is good in terms of cost. If you are applying fertilizer, it is very costly, and nowadays everything is changing, yeah. Nowadays people want money so badly. Like the first case I showed you, I bought fertilizer for this government subsidy, yeah, and it was a lot of sand in it, yeah. So you have to be very keen, and that's why I decided to go organic. I just want to use what I have to save as much money as possible, and to make my soil to be very fertile as possible, yeah. The secret is the soil, nothing else. If your soil is very fertile, your super Napier will get all the nutrients it requires, and all those nutrients are taken back to the cow. The cow gives us milk, for it reproduces. Yeah, the body score improves. Yeah, and the soil, then whatever the cow dung, you bring it back to your shamba. Yeah, and you will achieve more, guys. You will achieve more. If you see, even those maize, they are very green, because I just used the manure only, and I planted with you guys and showed you. The same case, I apply manure. Like this one is like a month old. Yeah, since the starting of the rain, I have not cut it. Yeah, you see. Now you see all these. So you can achieve this, and I hope you guys you learn something each and every day. Even if you know a better way to do this, just write in your comment section, so that each and every person knows what to do, especially the upcoming dairy farmer. And I told you guys, my main aim is to encourage those upcoming dairy farmers not to go through what I went through. The mistake that I made, I just want to rectify them, and so that they can learn. Yeah. And for dairy farming, the best thing is you run by doing. Once you run something, do it. Once you run something, do it. But the moment you just keep on taking notes without putting an action into it, you are not a good farmer. You have to keep on learning each and every day. You have to know exactly the information that you are gathering online. Is it helpful? Are you applying it, or you just want to see videos about dairy farming or any other type of farming? So you must be very action oriented. Yeah, you have to take action whether you like it or not. For you to become a better farmer, take action, do what is required for you, and you will succeed in one way or the other. So all these areas, I'll be applying manure. And so the thing is, once I cut, like the one that I cut today, tomorrow I'll come and I weed, and then I apply manure. So it becomes a simple task. Yeah, you cut, you weed, you apply manure, then you forget it for like 3 months, and then you come back. Yeah, so it is possible, it is doable, guys. All you need is just be you. Yeah, take action, start wherever you are with whatever you have, and you will make it. Yeah, you will make it. Yeah, so that's how I take care of my super Napier, and I hope you have learned one or two things, and you are going to put action into it. So thank you for watching till this far. If this video is valuable to you, consider subscribing, share, comment, and ask any question. If you have more suggestion on how to make this channel to be a good channel, uh, just I'm always a student. I like running a lot. So if you have a suggestion, I'm open to suggestions, and I learn from you too. So thank you for watching till this far, and have a wonderful day, and happy new year to you all farmers.